All right, so what I want to show here is what to me is pretty much the ultimate setup. It's the perfect setup for me, and it encompasses what I've been showing in my previous videos. In the first video, it was liquidity grabs. I'm going to get into more details, of course, followed by trendline breakout, which is such a high probability trade. On top of it, I will show you what it looks like on Bookmap for those who are interested in using Bookmap order flow, because it's a setup that almost can't fail. When you see what you see here on the chart plus what you see on Bookmap, it's just too good. Of course, I missed this trade. You can see like no profits today. I missed it because I got in front of the charts a little bit late. It was 7 a.m. Usually I'm on the charts a little bit earlier, but when I came here, 5 minutes too late. But so I'm going to show you, again, you can go back to the previous videos, the one that has liquidity grabs and trendline breakouts. I'm going to go back through the idea now. Okay, so what do you have? You have a little bit of an uptrend here. You have a level of resistance at the top. So that's number one. It's not even necessary, but you do have that. You have some highs here, 5-minute highs, right? Price pushes up, fails, grabs that liquidity or grabs these stop losses, call it what you want, then pushes down, which already you could enter a short here, even though there is not a trend line breakout yet, because it's already high probability that we're going to grab these stop losses that are sitting here, right? But then you have a retest, a failure here at this level, and then a big breakout, right? And we grab all of these stop losses, and then we actually go all the way down to these lows, where of course you have some more stop losses because you have 1 low, 2 low, and 3 lows that haven't been hit yet, right? So I mean, the setup was just perfect. I'm kind of gutted that I missed that. So this is what it looks like on Bookmap. I am gonna on the chart. I'm gonna switch to the 1 minute here because I do enter on the 1 minute. So these are the highs, fake out, grab the stop losses, retest 1, retest 2, and then boom. So you could already short from here. You could short from here, and then surely you can short even from here or even from here a bit late, but that's fine. Okay, let's go now to Bookmap and see what this looks like. So mind you, on Bookmap, we're not going to see this area, unfortunately, because I can't load it, but we're going to see these highs that are at 6:07 a.m. here, and then we're going to look what happened also at 6:47, so let's get to it. So again, I cannot load what happened previously, but 6:01 a.m. So this is the trend line, by the way. I draw it also on Bookmap. 6:01 a.m. push up, right? Over the 5-minute highs, push up. The longs here are trapped. Immediately we push down, so you could start entering here already. Let me maybe zoom a little bit. All right, that's fine. Okay, push down. So this is 6:07, then we kind of range here. And then what do you see here? Huge longs. Like you have bigger longs here than you had here or here, right? Huge green bubbles. And these longs don't push price, they fail. So on the retest of this area, you have more longs than you had here, right? More volume, and yet price is absolutely unable even to go back to these highs, right? So let's look at this again. These huge longs that I just showed you, they're here, 6:47, right? Right here. Let me show you again. This is the first retest with exhaustion, like not a lot of longs. Then you have kind of a fake out, I guess, and then huge longs, and they fail at 6:47. You can look at the time here, 6:45. This would be 6:47 here, right? So look, trap longs here, then exhaustion here, kind of like just small longs, not much happening. Then a push down, retest of the trend line, push up, huge longs here, and they can't even push price above this high, let alone retest these highs. And then, boom, huge shorts. So now we're going to look at the shorts on Bookmap. The trend line looks different on on heat map, but don't worry about that trend line. Just look at this, huge longs that fail on the retest. They're now trapped up here. And then what happens? You have some big shorts entering. These big shorts enter at 7 a.m. Let's look 7 a.m. here on the chart, right here. These are the big shorts. You have, I mean, I'm gutted that I missed this trade. It doesn't get better than this. I mean, the probabilities on a trade like this to work out, obviously I have no actual statistics because every situation is different, but I mean, it's too good. It's 90+%. You don't get these setups every day, that's for sure. Because again, I'm gonna go through it a bit more. This trend line, all these stop losses that are below these lows most likely, right? Because people are longing, let's say you longed here, stop loss here or here, whatever, TP at these highs because you're greedy, of course, never be greedy. And then people longed here, they have some stop losses here, people long, okay? You get the idea. So there's stop losses above all of these lows here, here, and also stop losses here for people that were, trading other time frames. So all that pushed price down to go get that liquidity or get these stop losses. You can use the terminology that you want. For me, the terminology doesn't matter. What matters is the concept, is the ideas, right? Yeah, I don't know what else to say about this trade, except that still can't believe I missed that. Don't be late. Don't be late on the charts. It's so good. It's just so good. Yeah, what else can I say? Yeah, look, I mean, it's perfect. And then if you want to get into a continuation, which I don't really like to do, yeah, no, I don't have to get into that now, probably for a next video, but just too good of a setup, too good. If you haven't seen my previous videos, go check them out because this is going to make even more sense. I go more into detail about what, having absorption and trapped longs and liquidity grab, and it's all very simple, right? It's all very simple concepts. It's nothing that I invented, obviously, and it just makes sense, right? That's what I love about it. It just makes sense. And here with Bookmap, you can see what's happening. Without Bookmap, I mean, this is enough. You don't need Bookmap. Bookmap just gives you like that extra confirmation that it's not a fake move, that you really have some real shorts here, that it's not like fake shorts that are entering. Like you can see this and this, you're like, oh, okay, this is not just small shorts, But look, if you have a liquidity grab here, a strong push down with some strong volume, of course this happened here, it's a bit scary if you enter a short here, but I mean, just put your stop here, maybe a bit higher if you want to be, and then aim for these stop losses below. You don't have to be that greedy and look cool on YouTube and say, hey, my TP is all the way down here. No, just that's fine. Like 1-to-1 with a strategy that has such like a high win rate, 1-to-1 is amazing. You're gonna lose, like you're never gonna lose with a strategy like this. I'm exaggerating, okay? But you know what I mean. And also, if you're entering on the 1 minute, you're gonna get a better entry because you're gonna enter here because you have enough information on Bookmap that will help you, having more confidence and entering with a better entry. And then you aim maybe for these lows or these lows here, and you can get great trades. So yeah, take a screenshot of that and go check out the other videos because it's all gonna make, I think this makes enough sense. It really does, I believe so. It's simple in the end and it's logical and it makes sense. But go check out the other videos and you're really gonna, I think, understand that even more